Surgical scissors are surgical instruments usually used for cutting. They include bandage scissors, dissecting scissors, iris scissors, operating scissors, stitch scissors, tenotomy scissors, Metzenbaum scissors, plastic surgery scissors and Mayo scissors. Surgical scissors are usually made of stainless steel. Surgeons use surgical scissors during an operation in order to cut tissues at the surface or inside the human body. The blades can be either curved or straight. The effect of tissue dissection is achieved when the sharpened edges slide against each other when the bows opposite to the joint are closed.